Well, we saw some sunshine. It gave us some love here today with temperatures well up into the 50s. We're going to cool down and we're going to get some much needed rain overnight. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of the rain tonight, not until very late. And it's also blue. Cooler weather in view out of the 50s into the 40s. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. 56 Grand Rapids, 61 Kalamazoo and Battle Creek North, where the clouds hung tough. It was in the 40s and even only a high of 38 in Ludington. We forecast 55 today with wind 1 degree, and we're back on track within 3 degrees. Had several of those this month. Over the past 5 hours, most of the rain has been up along and just south of US 10, Oceana County northward. Meanwhile, back to the south and west, this is where our rain will be coming from overnight tonight. It's just now getting into the Chicago area. It'll be between about 8 and midnight before it finally arrives here in most of West Michigan. We're going to track this hour by hour. Here are the showers right now lining up very well with the radar. This is up until 11 o'clock. Starting to get into the greater Grand Rapids area. Might be some rain and snow mixed north of Big Rapids. By daybreak, that northern edge starts to push to the south. The winds start to pick up, so it's going to be a rather breezy day, if not windy. Rain by 2 o'clock all the way down to I-94, and then it moves on out. The main thing tomorrow will be some strong northeast winds, but that's also going to dry us out, giving us clear skies here on Friday. We'll see lots of sunshine again during the day on Saturday, and as we get into Sunday, maybe just a few high clouds coming in later on in the day. In terms of rainfall, we could use some rain. We've only had 0.05 of an inch so far this month of March. We're looking at about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more, and most of that will be overnight tonight with a little bit more. South of Kalamazoo, you could see up to 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. The big thing is tomorrow we'll see some strong winds. Late tonight, the winds will start to gust to around 30 miles per hour, and then gust during the day tomorrow close to 40 miles an hour in some areas with a very strong northeast wind. And then they'll start to come down here tomorrow evening, but it won't be until very early on Friday before we see our winds lighten up, and high pressure moving overhead will give us a nice weekend. So tomorrow we can expect windy conditions with sunshine to the north, maybe some clouds with some showers from morning southward. Highs will be in the mid and upper 40s up north. Skies will become partly cloudy, but rather windy, mid 40s here. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll look for some morning rain and a wind with temperatures right around the mid 40s. 13 on your side forecast. 40s, 50s, and 60s over the weekend as spring officially arrives on Saturday morning. Lots of clouds next week. Most of the rain we've now moved from Tuesday to Tuesday night through Wednesday, and it'll linger on into Thursday as well. But high temperatures all next week will be warmer than average.